Okay, I got the mounting bracket up there. And before you tighten the bracket down, you could slide it. It's on a oblong hole here. So you could slide it to the right or you could slide it to the left. And remember I had that pencil mark there? I just slid it over and now I'm basically centered from where it was cut a little bit too far over on that side, the drywall. And I just got it centered and I snugged it up. And I redirected the white wire coming into the box. That's the neutral wire. Okay, so the neutral wire that hooks up to the outside power, I'll keep on this side, as well as the ground, as well as this ground. I'll bring it over this direction. The ground on the knuckle of the ceiling fan. I'll have all the ground wires and the neutral wire on this side, and I'll have the black wire over here and the black wire coming from the ceiling fan, as well as the blue wire from the ceiling fan, and maybe that will help reduce any interference that you might have from conductors of your ground and neutral wires as opposed to your hot wires. I've read that on the directions, but I've never really had an issue with handheld remotes before. I would just hook up the wires, shove them all up there however I could. And it is what it is. And I've never had an issue with a handheld remote not working properly. Okay, but on this particular one, I'm going to go ahead and do it the way they suggest. Okay, so now, am I ready? And I got the knuckle on that, the notch for the knuckle on that side. Even if I flip the ladder around, I might have to use both hands to get it up in there and get the knuckle in there. Okay, and before I do that, you see I could cut these wires, and I might cut the wires off to about there. I don't need this extra wire anymore, right? I don't want to cut the wires too short. I can always cut the wires shorter after I get it up there, right? So I'm going to go a little bit long, and then this extra wire, I'll probably save it. I'll save it and throw it in my little red bag over there in case I ever need that for something, you know. Okay, so I'll do that, and then I'll figure out how to angle my ladder strategically. I might flip it around the other way. I'll just have, and I'll do that and kind of go through the motions and see which way it's going to be easiest for me to manhandle that. It's not really that heavy. It's just slightly awkward, but there's still enough room in between the blades for me to lift it up there and for it not to hit the ladder as I'm going up and all that stuff, and then get it in there. You'll be able to do it. And as for the light kit and stuff, I'll look at that afterwards. And for the light kit, I don't want to start installing that now. You know, I always like to do that when it's up in the air. You see what I mean? That way I don't mess anything up, especially the bottom glass globe. You know, so I'll have to read on that, on how that all goes, and I'll install that after I get this next bit up. Okay, coming up. Okay, I guess it's do or die. Yeah, I told you about mounting that bracket, so whatever, you know, if you're right-handed or left-handed, I did it the very opposite of what I said, but I think I'll still be able to do it. I just got to be careful with it. It's just kind of awkward is all. Lifting it up there, and all. Yeah, I gotta figure out how to lift it and how I want to hold it and all that once I get it up there, because that top trim doesn't allow me very much room to get my hand up there, you know. See now, oh man, I think I have I'm gonna move my ladder over a little bit, because the last thing I want to do is lose my balance on the ladder. You know what I mean? Okay. I'm trying to keep it off the ladder as best I can. I'm gonna move the ladder over about there. I'm just gonna keep the camera rolling. Okay. Oh. Okay. Now, and I want to keep the wires out of the way for where the knuckle goes. All right. And get it in there. Okay. Now that I've got the knuckle in there, I gotta twist it until it goes ka-clunk, and I know it's set where that little groove was. Remember? And so I'm gonna have to slide it a little bit. There. I felt it go down. Okay, so I know it's in the right place. If you don't do that and hook everything up, and if you don't have that notched in there, your ceiling fan will still work, but it'll twist until it falls down, and it might miss, and then your wires might get all messed up in there. Okay, see? And for this, I'm gonna have a little bit of room in there, not a whole lot, am I? Okay, for the next bit, because I gotta have my wires out of the way. And at this point, I know my white wire, my black wire, my blue wire need to go over this direction, because that white wire is going off of the sensor that I'm going to install. That's not the neutral wire per se coming from the box. I got the neutral wire over here. Okay? And so that's going to go over that direction. I've got my knuckle wire, ground wire. Let's see, where's that at? It's right there. It's on the right side. This ground wire is coming over that way. I'm going to have to strip those wires, get them all set, and then I'll put a wire nut on that. You see, and I can do the ground wires, hook up the ground wires and shove them in there before I put the this box up. Let's get you down here. Remember this box? This box has nothing to do with hooking up any ground wires. This is a little antenna. I'm gonna have to make sure that's out of the way, and then I'll have to determine which way to put this this box in up there. But before I put that box up there, I need to go to the next step. And the next step, what is the next step? I'll tell you in a minute.